Most people believe saving money means living like a monk, giving up everything they enjoy. In their minds, saving automatically means sacrificing the lifestyle they love. Coffee runs, weekend trips, streaming services, dinners out, all the things that make life enjoyable. They see their spending on these pleasures as money slipping straight through their fingers. It feels like you have to choose, either save money or enjoy your life, but never both. But here's the truth you need to hear. Upgrading your money habits is the same as upgrading your lifestyle, not downgrading it. Smart strategies let you build savings while keeping the things that bring you joy. Today, I'll share 10 ultra-smart ways to save more without cutting what you love. These methods help you thrive financially, not just survive paycheck to paycheck. Welcome back to Money Mastery, your step-by-step guide to financial freedom and wealth creation. Let's make saving money feel easy and actually fun. Let's explore smart money moves that help you save and grow wealth without giving up the lifestyle you enjoy. Set up automatic transfers that split your income between savings and investments before you even see it. The bank moves the money first, preventing you from spending it, so your savings grow quietly in the background. Now let's talk about buying smart instead of buying cheap. A quality shoe lasts 3 years, while a cheap one breaks in 6 months, making it the better investment. The same goes for appliances. Quality ones last years, while cheap versions break fast. Rich people buy quality products and replace them less often, saving money over time. Here's a simple trick to control impulse buying: the 24-hour waiting rule. When you feel the urge to buy something non-essential, wait a full day to see if you still want it. If the excitement fades, you've just saved money and avoided regret. Most subscriptions offer big discounts when you pay annually instead of monthly. Annual plans save you 20 to 40% compared to paying month by month. Paying monthly costs you $120 a year, but annual plans drop that to $70 or $90 instantly. If you're spending money anyway, why not earn some back through rewards? Use cashback cards, travel cards, and rewards programs to turn everyday purchases into earnings. Just remember, rewards only work if you pay your full balance and avoid interest charges. Everyone has subscriptions they forgot about that quietly drain money each month. Old apps, gym memberships, streaming platforms, news apps, cloud storage, and shopping memberships add up fast. Audit what you haven't used in 30 days, cancel it, and save $20 to $100 monthly without changing your life. Planning your grocery trips saves money and prevents waste. Shopping with a list keeps you focused and saves 10 to 20%, while shopping without one leads to buying things you don't need. Here's something most people don't know. Almost every bill can be negotiated. Phone bills, internet, rent, insurance, credit card fees, and bank charges are all negotiable. One simple call can cut $10 to $50 monthly, which adds up to serious annual savings. You don't have to stop eating out, just reduce how often you do it. Eating out twice a week instead of 5 times keeps the enjoyment while cutting costs dramatically. Cook restaurant-style meals at home to maintain lifestyle enjoyment and save hundreds every month. Let's talk about the difference between investing in skills versus buying stuff. Skills generate income and grow in value, while stuff drains money and loses value quickly. A $100 course can help you earn $10,000, but a $100 gadget becomes useless in a year. Buy fewer things, buy more skills. This is how wealthy people grow. You can save money without cutting your lifestyle. It's all about making smart choices instead of living small. Living small and living smart might seem the same, but smart living gets you there without the sacrifice. We've covered 10 practical hacks that can transform your financial health starting today. Apply just 3 of these hacks, and you'll instantly feel richer, lighter, and more confident with your money. If you found this helpful, let's stay connected and keep building your financial confidence together. Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss our weekly insights. Every week, you'll get fresh, smart money strategies delivered straight to you. Coming up next, we're diving into something even more exciting for your financial journey. Learn how to save your first $10,000 in 2026 with a clear step-by-step plan. Keep saving smart, keep living smart, and keep mastering your money one decision at a time. This is Money Mastery, where smart financial choices become your new lifestyle.